Hello everyone, this is Vidya from VJ's Learner's Desk. Today we are going to see Class 10 Social Science Syllabus Review. We will go to the video. You can see this is the course structure for Class 10 2020-21. In that you are having 4 units. One is history, another one is geography, the third one is civics, and the last one is economics. So, in each and every unit, you will be getting 20 marks for your board exam. So, altogether, you are having 80 marks as a theory paper. So, this is the structure of the question paper. Now, we are going to see the question paper design. Our subject code is 087. Here you are seeing the question paper design for 80 marks and you are going to write the exam for 3 hours. In that your knowledge will be assessed in 4 ways. The first one is remembering and understanding the concepts. Based on this topic you will be getting 28 marks and applying the knowledge based on this you are going to get 14 marks and formulating, analyzing, evaluating and creating the answers. This will be having for 32 marks. Finally, map skill will be having 6 marks. So totally 80 marks for your examination. Next we are going to see is internal assessment. So already I have told you that for theory paper you are going to write for 80 marks and for internal assessment you are having 20 marks. That 20 marks will be split into 3 elements. First one is periodic assessment which carries 10 marks. Inside that you will be having 2 division pen paper test that carries 5 marks and multiple assessments like quiz, debate, GD, many on like that will carry 5 marks. So totally 10 marks. Second element is portfolio which carries 5 marks, that includes classworks, assignments and any other narrations like CBSE involved quiz programs. Based on that performance you will be getting marks for portfolio. The last one is subject enrichment activity which carries 5 marks. It's nothing but your project work. Now you are going to see the project work for class 10. You can see the project work is very much compulsory and you will be getting 3 options for that. The first one is consumer awareness, second one is social issues, third one is sustainable development. So based on these topics you can choose any one of your choice and you can do the project. And the project work should be always handwritten and the project guidelines I will give you later. And the main objective of the project is a student needs to work on a special issue and they have to analyze which will be the best solution like that. So you can see here the objective of the project and you can see the mark distribution of this project work. Like content accuracy carries 2 marks, presentation and creativity carries 2 marks and vivo voice carries 1 mark. So this is the project guidelines which is given by the CBSE. You can go through the syllabus in CBSE official website. Now we are going to the main part of this session, that is the syllabus divisions of social science. Now we are going to see history part, that is unit 1, India and the contemporary world 2. There are 3 sections in history part. The first section is events and process. The first section deals with 2 lessons and in the second section we are having 2 lessons. The third section will be having 1 lesson. So totally we are having 5 lessons in history part. In that 5 lessons, section 2 will be having an internal choice, that is you can take any one of that 2 lessons, that is the making of global world and the age of industrialization. So from these 2 we can take any one lesson. Apart from that, from section 1 the 2 lessons and section 3 that 1 lesson and section 2 any 1 lesson. So totally in history part we are going to have 4 lessons for the board examination. So you can see in the section 2 the making of global world and the age of industrialization. Your subject teacher and according to your school they will choose any one topic. So based on that, you are going to read this section. So you can see here, we can select any one theme of the following: the making of global world and the age of industrialization. So section 3, it's print culture and the modern world. This is a compulsory lesson. So this is the information or syllabus division of the part history. Next, we are going to the second unit, that is Contemporary India 2, which is nothing but our geography. Here we are having 7 lessons altogether. In that 7 lessons, the first lesson is resources and development, and the second lesson is forest and wildlife, third lesson is water resources, and fourth lesson is you are having agriculture, fifth lesson is minerals and energy resources, sixth lesson is manufacturing industries, and the seventh lesson is lifelines of Indian economy. In this geography, you can see forest and wildlife and water resources. These 2 lessons are evaluated only for the periodic test, that means pen paper test and the multiple assessment. These 2 lessons will not be asked in the board examination, but in lesson 3 water resources, you can see here water resources lesson, it will not be evaluated for the board examination, but at the same time the map items will be asked in the board examination. So apart from these things, you are going to read all the 5 lessons thoroughly. So this is about geography. The next chapter we are going to see is Unit 3, Democratic Politics 2, which is our civics. So in civics chapter, we are having 8 lessons: power sharing, federalism, democracy and diversity, which is our assessed only for the periodic test, and fourth lesson is gender, religion and caste. Fifth lesson, popular struggles and movements. This is also will not be assessed in the board examination. Sixth lesson, political parties. Seventh lesson, outcomes of democracy. Eighth lesson, challenges to democracy. Eighth lesson also will not be asked for board exam. So in civics chapters, you can see out of 8 lessons, 3 lessons will not be asked for the board examinations. The next and the last unit of our social science is understanding economic development. It's nothing but economics. In economics, we are having 5 lessons. In that 5 lessons, the last lesson is consumer rights, which is we are going to do as a project work. So we no need to worry about this lesson for the board examination. Now we are coming to the last part of the session, which is list of map items will be asked for class 10 board examination for the academic year 2021. So now you can see the part history. In history, we will be having map only in lesson number 2, nationalism in India. In nationalism in India, you are having 2 topics. The first one is Indian National Congress sessions and the second one is important centers of national movement. So in these 2 things, you are going to have nearly 9 places to mark. So out of this 9 places, you will be getting 2 places for your board examinations. So map, according to the map, for history it is 2 marks and for geography 4 marks, totally 6 marks for the map. Now we are going to see the geography map items. In chapter 1, resources and development, you are going to identify major soil types, and in chapter 3 already I told you this theory part will not come for the board exam, but map item, especially dams, we have to work on it, we have to get practice over this. This will come for the board exam. Last year question paper also had one map item from water resources. So we need to be thorough with this map. Fourth lesson is agriculture, and here we have to be thorough with the rice and wheat production areas and sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute producing states. We have to be thorough with that. And fifth lesson, minerals and energy resources, we are having coal mines, iron mines, like power plants, nuclear and thermal. Then sixth lesson, we are having manufacturing industries, cotton textile industries, iron and steel industries, software technology parks. And the last lesson of geography, lifelines of Indian economy, we have to be thorough with the harbors and international airports. And students, this is the syllabus of class 10 CBSE for the next academic year 2021. Hope you all understand this syllabus. So the next session onwards, we will go with the lessons. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel VJ's Learners Desk. Drop your queries and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you so much.